The 2018 C-HR. The Toyota C-HR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The C-HR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, backup camera, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.